Are we live?
We should be live. There should be some delays before starting. Going like this into the markets.
Yeah, we are live, guys. What's up?
Going like this. Aikido in the markets. Oh, wait a minute. There is. Yeah.
Good day, everyone, guys. Hello. 21 was waiting, people. 21 in the queue.
We have some. Let me start with this one. So today we had some bad trade, but we have some really nice trade. So going into with today's results, we closed Euro US dollar position, which we scaled up. We closed it up because Algo gave us a signal of a opposite signal, because that's why we closed it. And we had this stop loss trade on USD Swiss franc. Unfortunately, guys, it happens. But we have this one. We have gold that we scaled up, gold that we opened just based on the fundamentals, a little bit of technicals.
Already $21,000 unrealized.
With USD JPY as well. And if you paid attention to market overview, USD JPY sales was just a A+ setup. If you took it, congratulations. But about the fundamentals, LeBron is gonna get into it.
Yes, let's talk to the people first. I see a lot of new people in the chat. So yeah, I just found your channel, guys, and watched the videos. How are you doing? We are doing amazing. Today was a very choppy and volatile day because of the non-farm payroll news. Yes, and we warned everyone because today is really the day when the technical analysis doesn't work. Fundamentals is the core. So yeah, we lost one trade. You already mentioned, right?
Yeah, I mentioned we lost
one trade, but we have unrealized profits on a gold. And today was a roller coaster. Actually, it was such a roller coaster because you see $23,000 unrealized profits, but we were almost break even.
We were at minuses
at minuses
at one point.
Because of this volatile day, which with the important news about how many jobs U.S. economy added.
Fact. And yeah, gold is ripping. Today we had London session. For everyone who joined and who is listening here from London session, we had the vision of this upside movement to sweep out pre-market opening highs. It happened, but we were away from the charts. But if you took these longs from London session, congratulations as well. It was a really good one.
Yo, bro, make some videos on technicals and microeconomics. So yeah, microeconomics, like you mean fundamentals, macroeconomic data. Today, it was the main reason why the markets moved like they moved. That volatility was only fundamental, actually, and that's why all the technical analysis makes no sense today. Yeah, maybe now when the market is in a calm condition, we can find some technical, points why the market is moving like that. But in general, guys, every piece of news can be seen from a different perspectives. Even good news can dump the market, and bad news can pump it. Imagine. It's so hard to predict. Even if you know the news are good, it doesn't mean that market will pump. And that's the real trading. That's why you need to always protect your capital, guys. It doesn't matter how smart you are. It's about how you behave.
Thanks, guys. Using your method in Telegram, I made this month already $6,000. Keep up, guys. Congratulations. Happy to hear that and to see that. It's insane. Are you in gold trade? Yes, we are. We talked about it.
So first of all, today in the morning, there was a selling pressure on dollar. And we know when the dollar is under the selling pressure, gold is always rising up.
Yep.
And we were in profits $20,000, $28,000
at one point,
unrealized at one point. And then the news came out,
and we were red.
And we were red. Why? Because the news were really nice for U.S. economy. They added 140,000 new jobs. and unemployment rate fell down to 4.3. It's higher than expected. It's lower than expected. Sorry, guys. And economy is becoming stronger, and everyone thinks, "Wow, finally, let's go. This is so good. Dollar is becoming so strong, and finally, we're gonna invest more." But then, it's not like that. Then the New York session came in, and huge investors are playing different game, because what does it mean? We are having a strong economy, which means maybe inflation, because a lot of new jobs, they will spend a lot of new money, and inflation will come in, and we won't have any rate cuts. The monetary policy will be tightened. It will be tight monetary policy under pressure, no rate cuts, no new money injection. So, and huge investors were scared, and that's why gold has made again back to the highs, to the daily highs, right?
Yeah, new daily highs today made. And if we go into technicals and we see the clear structure on, for example, why this isn't, oh, wait a minute, give me a second.
Yeah, as you see, guys, the good news doesn't mean one thing, you know.
On 4 hours, as you can see, there was this big dip, but after it, gold right now confirmed and made a new higher high, and the structure making this as a uptrend movement for right now this period. Everything could happen, right? But right now it's trending and tending to go more to the upside, making new higher highs. And with the NFP news, it made these highs here. So
that's why we decided to stay in the trade, because a bigger picture hasn't changed for us yet. Yes, today was volatile day. We survived it, and yeah, I still believe the dollar will face pressure later on, and especially if the rate cuts come back into the focus, and I think it will sooner or later. And yeah, so I think gold will show new highs. I hope so.
Is there any technical and fundamental analysis on Bitcoin? I would love to say something, but right now everything seems so strange that...
It is, but let's talk about our algorithm. Let's show can you show we have our algorithm that is working on our technicals, our indicators, and it was working so perfectly, right? Take profits. How many take profits?
A lot of them. There are a lot of them. Today we hit... So for these trades, for crypto trades, the take profit 5 is a big one. It's a really, really wide take profit, but it hit on Uni, it hit a full take profits, on XRP take profit 2, Phil take profit 2, Arbitrum take profit 3, XLM take profit 2, Solana take profit 2, and Uni, it hit sells and then buys. It was, I think in 2 days, it hit full take profits. Uni is blasting for the couple of days. And yeah, a lot of take profits. Crypto group is eating as well. Small trades, trading in a range, sells and buys when it comes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yeah, crypto group is blasting. Crypto group is blasting.
Please, bro, teach in live about discipline, how to control emotions in trade. First of all, if you want to learn to control your emotions, reduce your position size when you feel nothing, and start from this point. If you are already starting with a huge position, you won't learn anything, because you're already like under the pressure to lose the money that you cannot lose. So reduce your position and don't be hero, don't be smart. Market doesn't care about how smart you think you are, guys. Just follow your behavior, control your behavior. Don't be greedy, and stop being that guy who wants to take all profits in one day. Trade with a small amount of money, yes, with a small position. If you have $1,000 account, risk 0.2, 0.5%, not more than that. And then you will start to learn to control your emotions. Of course, if you risk 10% from your whole account, you won't make it. You won't make it. That's a gambling. Your emotions will destroy your account. Hello, champs. Hello, hello.
As we can see on Google Trends as well about crypto and Bitcoin, why isn't it pushing if something is pushing and the correlation isn't fair. It's just because there isn't enough volume and money in the crypto markets. As you can see in Google Trends, crypto is kind of dead. Crypto and Bitcoin is at really low levels. And when the hype will start, the bull market will start as well. But for now, there is no hype about crypto.
There is no hype, guys, because market is being destroyed by the people inside this industry, like people like Binance, Wintermute, BlackRock, Donald Trump. Even he destroyed the industry as well. He's Eric Trump's son. They created this like liberty. World Liberty, right?
World Liberty Finance.
Finance, yes. And that was also a huge scam for small investors because the insiders, the first investors, took all the money, took all the profits, and now the small retailers are sitting in a huge losses. So, as always, the last bill is paid by retailers, and that's why the crypto market is like, it's not attractive anymore like it used to be. Now it's not anymore that attractive, and only fundamental things can change. No technicals can change it. Only fundamental things. We need a new news, something like, you know, real crypto strategic reserve bill, real, not that fake one that we saw when they were just consolidating already seized bitcoins, confiscated bitcoins. So they never did a buying pressure on Bitcoin. US never did it. So all the promises were just like promises.
Should we try this? Should we try the indicator, guys?
Is wick-off trading profitable?
Haven't traded wick-offs. And trying this strategy, which is wick-off trading strategy. Haven't tried it. Don't know. Everything is profitable.
You trade in every session or any specific session? We trade every day alongside. We trade with our members from XNINE. We analyze markets every day. We create trading setups, analysis, fundamental analysis. So usually, yeah, we day trade. But as well, I'm having a swing trades. I would call that this gold trade is a swing trade.
It is.
It's a swing trade, guys.
It is. And yeah, we have London sessions starting with 3 times per week. So we are going into Discord and having a live trading session every single morning, almost every single morning.
Bitcoin was dumping when the gold was up as well. Yes, and why? The Bitcoin lost a lot of liquidity because there was a huge hype around silver, around gold, AI stocks, and everyone went like to buy them because there was a huge hype, and Bitcoin lost part of that hype. So yeah, people switched to other assets, and they thought that gold and silver will like keep rising, but yeah, market is not allowing to take profits for everyone. And today there was pressure on treasury bills. Treasury yields rise up, and when the treasury yields rise up, it means they are becoming more cheaper. So the new investors that are buying right now government issued treasury bills, they're earning more because they pay less, but the yield is bigger. And that's why that was one of the signs why Bitcoin dollar dumped back, and gold is seeing new daily highs.
New highs on the daily, yeah.
When crypto is down, everyone switch off to stocks, risk off assets. Yes, kinda. T-bills are heavily influenced by Japan. Yeah, Japan plays a big role actually in world economy. We know that a lot of US companies and investors, they are borrowing Japanese yen. Why? Because there is zero rates, you know. It's such a cheap money. They borrow that money and they buy risky assets. There is a lot of investors from US that are using Japanese yen, and actually all this system is so interconnected. So yeah, Japan is a big role player.
Big role player, it is. And it's interesting because Japan is kind of small in in the whole world, but
it's small, but it has a huge influence. And actually, I don't remember, guys. Is it the third largest economy? No, fourth or fifth, probably. Can you check?
Give me a second.
Is it the fifth largest economy in the world?
Give me a second.
I haven't checked the GDP actually, long time ago.
Is
Top countries by GDP.
top countries by GDP.
Yes, I was right. It was top 5 actually, probably.
Here it is fourth.
No, 4. Yeah, you see, it always changing. Like, you know, the India is also close to the Japan, Germany.
I couldn't show. Almost stops down here, only 200.
But that is unbinding now with the rise of bond yields in GGB. Yes.
I'll move the stops here. 89.
I'm sorry, Christian. Thank you for your comments. I love when people like are deep into the fundamental things, not only technicals. Respect for that. You guys seen 78 out of 80 analysis predicted jobs numbers wrong.
Nice to you guys. 10x. Wow.
And as well, you know, there is such an uncertainty in economy right now, guys, because we entered quantitative easing phase, but still it's not happening. We do not see like monetary policy like being dovish right now. We don't see maybe rate cuts. We won't see maybe rate cuts because of the Kevin Warsh as well, the new Federal Reserve guy. He's more conservative. He's hawkish. And yeah, but I think that guy is more data driven, so if the data will allow for rate cuts, he will accept it anyways. Let's see. A lot of changes will come into the US economy. A lot of changes. The markets will be volatile, yeah, unpredictable at some times, but we are ready for that. So always protect your capital, guys. Huge fundamental changes are coming.
They are coming.
There are 3 voting members in Fed that are hawkish. You see, people are scared about hawkish thingy, right? But I don't think it's bad. Actually, it's not that bad as people think. I know people want more liquidity. They want to like quantitative easing phase with more active rate cuts and so on. But I don't think it's as well good for economy in general. Of course, everyone wants more liquidity so we can have more money for risk assets. I know that. But sometimes economy doesn't work like that. How can one join the Discord server? Right now we are having a Telegram group. Can you show the Telegram group, a public channel? Guys, we have public channel as well, where you can follow all the trades, our ideas, what is happening, my thoughts, daily posts, analysis, and as well there is a VIP group where we accept only those who are like, you know, we just want to take those people who are, you know, how to say, dedicated to the risk management. VIP group is smaller, but right now the public Telegram group has 5,000 people. And you can see daily posts there. If you wanna, you can enter.
Yeah.
Sometimes we share trading ideas there for free. For example, today we lost one.
Yeah.
We already mentioned. Yes. We always being transparent, guys. We lose as well.
Yeah, we do. That's totally fine. Sorry, guys, I cannot show the inside of VIP right now because I will leak leak Discord link, and I don't want it to get flooded with people that don't need to be there. So we have Discord only for people that are joining the live trading sessions. So yeah. But about the trade that we took just now, we hit stop losses. But that's totally fine. There is
no more rate cuts means long-term inflation. Yes and no. I wouldn't agree. Like it's yes and no, because right now what is happening on the markets, we are having like really nice job claims, lower unemployment rate, and it also rises up the inflation. But in general, this inflation right now is holding back us to having a new rate cuts as well. So, you know, economy is such a complicated thing, and you cannot explain it like in one word. It's not explainable in one word.
Had a very bad day today, made 5K unfunded and lost it all in the New York session, revenge traded and blew the account. Any suggestions for me to improve my psychology?
Can we join your group and also trade on a funded account to increase our capital? You know, our group is based that you use one of our brokers. So the group is for free. We do not charge for our education, for our streams. We are having every morning London session.
Almost every morning.
With Rainis, almost yes, where we show where he shows all the strategies. He's explaining market conditions. But you need to use just our brokers, and that's it. Because we get a small commission from you to maintain the whole team. We are now having like more than 10 people in my team. Creating content, creating like, you know, analysis, creating streams. It requires some funds. That's why we are just suggesting you to use our broker. We get small commission, but we provide everything for free.
I opened another one longs just based on ICT. We can see how the ICT works. We have this fair value gap. It swept the liquidity down here and closed one candle, right now the second candle, above 50%. And right now we are seeking continuation to the upside after the 50% close on this gap. So let's see how it works. This is just purely, again, playing around and seeing if something works. And maybe if there will be a green buy signal from the indicator, possibly we're gonna open some more up. So
I'm more fundamentals oriented like yourself, but to be honest, I'm very long on USD, and if the market is going to tank, USD will do very well. Yes, I would agree. You know, we saw 4 years lows on dollar index, and I knew that it's going to bounce back. I knew 100%. But everything now depends from new Federal Reserve chairman. I'm having a keen desire to understand what is going to happen with the Federal Reserve in upcoming 3-4 months. This is the main question, actually.
For the member who is asking how to get his psychology right with blowing accounts, I will be straightforward. Ask yourself a question: are you a man or no? Can you take your balls in your hand and straighten out your back and just don't overtrade when you know that you don't need to trade? For example, right now as well, this trade hit stop losses, but it's only $400, right? I'm not trying to overtrade. I'm not trying to be a hero. I'm not trying to make some money back.
Okay, look, we just lost $600. We will take one more trade. If we lose, we exit.
In total, yeah, we lost $700 right now.
$700, but of course, it's what percentage of risk you took?
700 from 300,000. It's not even 1%, not even a half of percent.
Yeah. Someone is asking, is scalping good? It depends. It gives you more emotions. You know, it's so fun to watch scalping, but in general, if you do scalping every day, I wouldn't say it's the best way to trade. I wouldn't say. But sometimes, as I mentioned before, we use this indicator that we created with Rainis.
And this trade that we took was just based on ICT fair value gaps, and it didn't work. Yeah. It didn't work.
See, here's the ICT strategy that failed.
Yeah,
it's not perfect, guys. It's not perfect.
Nothing is perfect. Nothing is 100%. Yeah, let's wait. Let's see what we can trade on with these. Maybe let's take a bigger trade as a last trade. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
I love that guy. USD short is most crowded play right now. That's why itself is bullish. Always do opposite what retailers do, right? What retailers think. Most of retailers are now Yeah, shorting US dollar. That's the best way.
But if we look at the results that we had on our live streams that we traded, the previous one we traded the first time, and we made 1.7k. Right now we have lost 700, so still we are up 1k on profits just from live streams.
Yeah, by scalping this indicator.
Yeah, just by scalping.
We're still in profits right now in 2 days, $1,000.
Mm-hmm.
And someone asked about overtrading. Now, if we will make next trade profitable, maybe we will take another one and then we will exit. If we will lose, we exit. Okay? We promise.
Okay. Three losing streak, and we don't trade anymore.
Okay.
For today, for today only. I like the format of the stream. It's real, no fuss, no BS. Congrats, guys. Thank you.
How many years you lost money before being profitable? Oh.
For me, it was five or six. No, yeah, 5 or 6.
For me, it was even more, probably 6 years. I was always guessing the market using some kind of like strategies from old books, and yeah, drawing all these head and shoulders patterns. A lot of things happened, but I was starting trading, wow, so long time ago when the MetaTrader 4 was released. I don't remember. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005. Probably, I think so.
I'm not
Guys,
that old.
I don't know if I'm wrong.
I'm not that old.
I was using MetaTrader 4.
Let's see if we have some confirmation on the green dot that just showed.
What do you guys prefer, return RR or win rate?
None. Consistency. For me, it will be consistency. It doesn't matter the win rate and what is your risk to reward. Of course, that your risk to reward is starting from 1 to 2. It's amazing, but seeking to have a good risk to reward or good win rate, you are trading for yourself. You are not comparing yourself with nobody. So when you start to make and when you are starting to be profitable, that's when that matters. What are you doing of becoming profitable?
So we entered the position, right?
Yeah, we did, with a bigger lot size.
Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see the scalping.
85.24, wait.
Let's see the scalping.
85.20.
Minus 20.
No way. We entered at the top. Okay, let's risk 1k on this trade. It's 500 points.
Now watch how we'll lose $1,000.
How $1,000 disappears. It really will. God damn. 30 seconds, guys.
Guys, you see, losing money is so fun. Now we are at break even with this indicator.
Wait, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Let's wait. Well, guys, don't take this as example. It's just for fun. We are doing this for fun.
79.
Gold is going to be a swing trade. It is already a swing trade. Yes, it is.
Whoa, let's close it up.
I like the format of your stream. It's real, no fuss, no bullshit. Congrats, guys. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for tuning in and yeah, being with us.
Yeah, let's close this one up.
Guys, everyone who's here, if you have a time, please just put the like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but for us, it means a lot. We just started our YouTube channel. Recently, we have only 2 videos, but we have already 15,000 followers. And thank you, guys. Thank you. It seems we are doing something properly. Not wrong, sorry. We're doing something right.
So about the trades that we had today, we lost 3 trades in a row. In total, we lost about $1,800. And from trading on live streams here on YouTube, in total, right now we have $100 minus.
In minus, yeah.
In minus, yeah. But yeah, and a little bit of a disclaimer: nothing we do is nothing close to financial advices.
Be careful, guys.
We are just 2 guys sitting in a room and saying our opinions on the markets and having fun in the markets. So please, before you take any moves in the markets, do proper analysis and your own research.
Sorry for disturbing you. So each person has to lose for 6 years to learn Not actually like that. No.
No.
That's why we decided to create this community, guys. Listen up now. We decided to create this community because I think people that wanted to become traders, they need to learn one thing: controlling their emotions and risk management, and then they learn strategies, because with the proper risk management you can adapt any strategy. But people coming into the markets, they didn't master psychology, they didn't master risk management, no system, no systematic behavior, and they're all they want is just indicators and strategies. That's why they lose. You cannot adopt any strategy without proper risk management. So yeah, I think that's what XNINE is about. You come to XNINE, you trade alongside us, we are showing you the setups, and you learn to control your risks, emotions by using our setups. And then in process, for example, if you're staying for 6 months with the XNINE community, you're learning strategies with us, because right now we are working on the courses, free courses. We do not charge anything for this. We want to show all the breakdowns, strategies, systems, fundamentals, how we analyze, and you can get it for free. But first of all, please learn to control your emotions, guys. Control your risks.
And one advice that I should give and could give is, if you are trying to trade, find communities, because in communities there are people who has experienced the things that you will only experience, all the downfalls, all the rocks you will stumble upon. They will give you everything. For example, we know that proper risk and money management is the most important thing to stay alive in the markets, and that's what we are doing and trying to teach you guys and give you in the VIP XNINE. So you can survive in the markets and not lose money. And this is one thing that I didn't learn at the start when I started to trade. I was going into the markets trying to just make money, indicators, strategies, make money. But I didn't know what is risk and money management. And I learned about it this year, not this year, but previous year, 2025. And communities give you these things that you will experience in a bad way on your own. But they are saying, hey, this is wrong, don't do this, do this, and you won't experience these bad things.
We do not claim that we are the best community, but let's be honest, there are a lot of scam communities as well.
Oh yeah, there are a lot of them.
That are selling always some kind of indicators, like selling you just these courses, $5,000 courses, guys. What the hell? What the hell is that? Who is paying for that shit?
$5,000 per course.
I saw that. Yeah, I don't want to mention again the names, but yeah, a lot of influencers are selling the courses. It's like, selling the courses for influencers. It's like being on OnlyFans. It's OnlyFans for men.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Hi, thank you for the work you do every day, your discipline and analysis, and helping me grow not only as a trader, but in mindset too. This is real value. I truly appreciate it. It seems you are from XNINE, right? If you're an XNINE, respect. And yeah, thank you for this really kind and warm comment. When I read these comments, this is the main thing why I want to continue this community.
Oh God.
Now I'm officially a member of your VIP group. Can't be more happy. Time to dig into the education stuff. Let's fucking go. Nice one. Thank you. Losing $1,000 just for fun. I can't take you guys serious. Okay, let me explain.
We are losing percentages.
We're losing percentages, yes. Maybe I told you, it's a bad example. Do not take this as example. We didn't gamble like 10% from our account. It's just $1,000. It's like how much?
0.3%.
0.3%, guys. That's it. And we stopped trading right now. You see, no over trading.
Guys, today of the market overview, I talked about this gap here, the daily retracement. It happened. And if you took action on it, congratulations. Beautiful trade after NFP. Wait for markets to stabilize, and from there just get into the trade.
Can you put the indicator back? The guy who is more fundamental driven, he asks for indicator. Nice one. Is it a joke? I don't know. Raffle. Okay, put the indicator back.
Let
It seems people love to watch the indicators, and it's fun. I'm not gonna lie, as I told you.
What assets do you want to see? Give me three assets.
Let's vote for asset. What do you want to see?
Three assets and what time frame? Write down one asset and which time frame, and I will add three assets with these indicators.
If you scalp, of course, time frame should be like less than like 1 minute.
Maybe somebody wants to see the hourly.
Oh, okay.
One is gold.
Gold. Everyone is gold.
The first one, I will put it on 1 minute as well, if you're interested. 15th Euro US dollar, 10 minutes. GBP USD, GBP JPY.
I'm still.
Give me one crypto. Somebody give me any crypto.
No cryptos, guys. Maybe let's take Bitcoin.
Let's see. There is Bitcoin, the first one. Let's put GBP USD because we know what's happening in Euro.
Euro GBP is bullish on daily 4 hours, but still Alex G sell it. Why? I know, you should ask Alex, but I think he's busy with Bugattis and all that fun stuff. I don't think he's paying a lot of attention on market analysis.
Give me one altcoin. Let's not see Bitcoin or Ethereum. Let's have fun. Give me any altcoin or meme coin. Let's see how the indicator works on small cap coins.
What happened with ETFs? What do you mean, what happened with them? Crypto ETFs?
Two guys. Okay. Hype USDT. Let's see.
What do you think was a breakthrough point of trading journey? Wow, there were many of them, actually, you know. It's so hard for people to accept that they might be wrong in their mind. A lot of people lose because they are smart. No one cares about how smart you think you are, guys. Wall Street doesn't care about that. They feed on your behavior. And it's so hard to accept that sometimes you can be wrong. You learn a lot, you read a lot of books, you buy courses, and now you think you're smart, you're so strong in the markets. You know how to crack the code of Wall Street, but actually you need to accept that you are just the liquidity, and you must learn to protect yourself. Don't be smart on in the markets. Yes, educate yourself, learn more about fundamentals, of course some strategies, but stay calm. Do not be overexcited. A lot of people acting like they know everything. I'm gonna crash it. I'm gonna destroy the markets. When I see these people, when they act like that, it's a red flag. It's a red flag. They will gonna blow up the account. Everyone is trying to be cocky.
Meow.
Meow. I want to be a good in fundamentals too. Please give me a roadmap. I think you know why fundamentals are not that popular, but because it's really hard to sell to people. You see, the strategies like fair value gaps and ICT, it's really fast and easy to learn. I'm not saying it's easy to use on a daily basis, but yeah, it's easy to understand. But when we are talking about fundamentals, people are getting bored. You know, it's economics. You should learn what is economics.
Start with learning how dollar works. What is dollar? What is money in general?
Money, yeah.
How does money work? How does money is born? When money is made?
The borrowings, money,
when does governments invest money into the market? Buy the treasury bills and sell them.
Bills, quantitative tightening, monetary policy, everything.
And then open Forex factory and follow these news. Everybody has free access to ChatGPT. Ask any question. Screenshot send, what do you think of this, how this will affect the markets? Start knowing. How does non-farm employment change is affecting the market? CPIs. What does CPI do? What is GDP in general? What does GDP stand for? Everything. And start putting puzzle pieces together.
Guys, be honest. Do you know GDP of your country? Do you know? I think a lot of people don't know. Okay. Let's guess. What is GDP of Latvia? Do we know? Okay, let me guess, guys. Let's see how good I'm with GDP.
I have one number in my mind as well. You can guess first.
But write it down. Write it down somewhere.
I won't change it.
Write it down.
I won't change it.
You will change it. I know. Write it down.
Can you see the screen or no? No, you cannot. Wait.
5 trillion in India. 4 trillion.
God damn it! I had a really low guess.
4.1 trillion. Okay, in Latvia, I think it's probably maybe 50 billions. 50 billion.
Okay, I wrote down 250 million.
Bro, come on. You see, a lot of people don't know. A lot of people don't know. I think 50 million in Latvia. Let me see.
Wait.
Can you check? GDP in Latvia.
GDP in Latvia. It's around 50 million, 45 million. Billion. Wow.
Billion, brother. I was telling
Billion.
50 billion.
Billion.
50.
God damn it.
You see how close I was? And that's the fundamental. People should know the precise, at least close number about their country. The budget, the GDP,
See,
or
you know why
GDP per capita.
You know why I told 250 million? Because I don't feel it in the country that we have 45 billion dollars.
Okay. We have a poor country.
Yeah, we don't have a poor country, but we have. I'm not going into politics, and I don't care, kind of, but we don't have a good political parties that are trying to make Latvia literally better.
Oh yeah.
A lot of money is going into the pockets of.
So yeah, guys, fundamentals, that's important, but most important, risk management, controlling yourself. Where you live? We live in Latvia. We just discussed that.
Is everyone is from India?
Is everyone from India?
No. I think India isn't the biggest viewers, as in the biggest.
I think the biggest viewership in every Instagram account, which is viral, is America, US,
and then
India.
Yeah,
India comes like second.
Then South Africa.
Then South Africa. Then because a lot of people live in India. And they watch the whole content on Instagram, and Instagram is very popular in India. So everyone has like Indian followers.
Our profits are getting swept. We had $20,000, around $20,000. Yeah, right now we have only 14.
Okay.
Gold is retracing a little bit, but that's fine. This is a swing trade we are ready to hold. And if it goes to minuses, it goes. Oh well. What we can do.
You are in Riga, right? Yes, we live in Riga. I reached you through the Instagram. Okay, guys, type in a chat in which country you are right now. Let's see the people. Where are you from, guys? Let's see. Germany. What's the difference in the laws? Slovenia. India, Philippines, India, Latvia, Bulgaria, Belarus, Latvia, Serbia. You see a lot of people.
From everywhere.
I think Indians are most active.
South Korea. Wow, from
Jamaica,
Korea.
South Africa, Riga, Latvia, Hungary, Israel. Wow. The whole world, you see. Greenland. Wow, someone's from Greenland.
No way.
Uganda, Romania, Zimbabwe, Lithuania, Kenya, Pakistan, India, Sweden, United Arab Emirates. Hello. Zimbabwe. We see you, guy.
Yeah, we
see you. Don't spam.
He loves his country too much.
Nigeria. Yes, you see a lot of people from different countries. So yeah, India is like very popular, and they're most active guys. I know that. Do you get a good RPM on YouTube? I don't know. I do not watch statistics. I don't care about this. The most important just growing my subscribers, and that's it. I do not monetize my YouTube as well.
Why don't you guys prefer living in Dubai? Why should we? Give us 3 reasons why we should live in Dubai.
From where you got the capital for starting and continuing. Now listen up, guys. When someone says on the internet that he made from $250 $10 million, and that's how he became rich. Your opinion, is it true?
No.
No, it's not true, guys. No one can make from $200 even $1 million. Accept it. So first of all, I was trading, losing a lot of money. I was a small retailer. I was a small retailer losing $500, $1,000, and then I realized that I need a bigger capital. When I lost a lot of money, I gained experience. I accepted my mistakes. I started to work to gain my capital. I built my production team. I built some companies. I earned at least $15,000, and I was scaling these $15,000, investing into the stocks, then crypto. I saw some yield. I took that yield. Then I came back into the markets with a bigger capital, like $40,000. I started trading. I lost some trades, and I had profitable trades. And in general, it took me many years to scale these $50,000 into something bigger.
Yeah.
So always do something on the side. Use your passion, create something, businesses, content, whatever. Just make money and then come into the markets, invest, trade, swing trading, maybe if you want to day trading, it doesn't matter. Positional trading, and then you can scale up. This is the real trading, guys. No one is making from $200 $1 million. Accept it, please. And forget these creators, these guys who claim that they made it. It's impossible. Not even with the prop firms.
Yeah.
Do you trade options? No, we do not trade options.
About the Dubai, this is just my opinion. We will go there. We're gonna visit a beautiful country or state, or I don't know the place in general. But to live there, see. Would you like to see us just film the same thing over and over, which is Dubai? Yeah, here's the Burj Khalifa, the biggest building in this whole world. Or would you like to see us in the stranded island somewhere nowhere in the Baltic Seas? I would see the second option, then maybe something else. See, Dubai is great for motivation, for taxes, for money, for safety, for everything. But if you have the option to go around the world, why shouldn't you?
In nature, right?
In nature, yeah.
In nature.
Dubai, there is no nature.
Just far away from public, I think when you're becoming financially wise, you learn how the world works. You know about society, you know more about health, about mentality. You want to isolate yourself from people, actually, from the most of the people. I'm not saying that I care about my people, my friends, Eric, yes. So I care about the Rainis because we are like-minded. We have the same vision, but in general, I'm trying to isolate myself from public. I love to live far away, in a forest, in this house, being locked in. So yeah, my life is not about like fun like you see in Dubai.
Less distractions.
Less distractions, yes. We just sit here, create content, trade, learn, educate.
You should find nature in Monaco.
You see, I love Monaco. I was there, but I don't want to live there, but visiting Monaco was a really nice experience.
About the lot sizes, somebody asked how big lot size should you use on 2K account, on 2K USD account. I would suggest using 0.1. It could seem a little bit crazy as well. Then try to reduce it, and it depends on how big your stop loss is and points and what are you trying to seek. For example, trading gold right now, I would use 0.05 to 0.1, not higher. And if I would love to blow my account, then 1 lot size. It's not an advice. Don't use 1 lot, please.
I really appreciate your content. From my experience as a quant trader, fundamental and economic data can be pulled from APIs, quantified in machine learning models and used to estimate probabilities. Yes, of course, but we are not quant traders. Unfortunately, yeah, but yes, quant trading, that's something different. You see a lot of people, someone is fundamental driven, someone is more about quant trading, someone loves indicators. You see how versatile is trading actually. There's so many different trading fields.
There's one guy asking what is fundamentals. What do you mean by fundamentals? Fundamentals in general, we're gonna talk this in the course as well, but really on the open side, technicals is what you can see in the charts. Fundamentals is everything outside the charts. Fundamentals is what did Donald Trump said, how does economy is going, growing or falling, is inflation growing, is rate cuts growing or getting cut. There are a lot of things in fundamentals outside. Fundamentals is everything outside what you can see in the charts. In a really short description, what is fundamentals?
You know, guys, my biggest turning point when I understood that where I understood that I'm capable of more. I broke up with my girlfriend. That was a huge impact. I had a depression, but I converted that depression into the energy. I locked in for 2 years, no relationships. I didn't need any replacement, and that helped me a lot to find myself. I think the biggest problem with the youth, with the Gen Z generation, when they break up with her, they're trying to find a replacement, and that's a weakness, guys. Try to be alone. Being alone is really powerful thing. So do not chase women.
When you learn how to be alone, it's the most powerful weapon you can have.
Yes.
After that, nothing can kind of stop you, because when you will be alone again, you will find the light, how to get out of it, how to move, what to do and what not to do. So I'm not saying learn how to be lonely, but learn how to be alone with yourself. Yeah.
Thank you for coming, guys. Honestly, was having a bad day, but talking to you guys made me relaxed and reset and start again. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate your comment, and we are glad that we provide some kind of value for the people.
Fuck, I just got married. Hey, congratulations! Don't take it. Hey, if you love this person in your life and you see that she's supporting you, or he, I don't know, but this person is supporting you and everything is working great, why not? It's great.
It's not bad being married. I'm just saying that Gen Z generation, when you're 20 years old and you're trying to build a family, that's wrong. That's wrong. I think men should be concerned about themselves. They should find themselves, the passion, what they want to do, what they want to build, their legacy, like, you know, business. But when they chase women, that's a road to nowhere. Of course, if you're 30 years old, you already have some kind of base, money, maybe you know what you want to do in life, and you already have foundation. That's totally fine to have a woman.
That's nice. About the indicator on gold, why it's flipping so much, because there is almost 0 to none movement, and it's showing, and it's on the verge where whole SMA, EMA, MACD, RSI and volume footprints are just so close to each other that they are crossing each other and giving these signals, buys and sells. And this is something that I want to work on, as I mentioned, and I want to backtest it as well. And this is watching and looking what it's doing. It's a pure backtesting. And if we go into 5-minute time frame, for example, we will not see these. Yeah, we don't see them as well. So time frame is a big factor on this indicator as well.
Jerry, we're reading your comment. Me too. When I broke up, I become content creator. I got good connections from zero, but once again I got down because I got into the crypto at bad times. Explain me first of all what did happen with you. Did you lose something in meme coins? I don't know, maybe altcoins? And yeah, we are not trying to sugarcoat this industry, guys. Trading can give you opportunities, but at the same time, it can destroy you as well. This is not a fairy tale. Yes, trading can be dangerous. So that's why we always warn people, be ready. Do not, deposit money that you cannot lose. If that is your last money and you cannot lose it, don't come into the markets. I'm being honest, guys.
About the books, I'm trying to find the book that I want to show you.
Антонина, привет. Я тебе давай на русском отвечу. Я понимаю, ты русскоязычная, наверное. Почитай книгу Тимоти Сайкса, и там он очень хорошо рассказывает, что вот на рынках тебе не надо быть смелой, тебе надо, наоборот, быть трусом. И трусы выживают намного дольше, чем смелые. Поэтому герои умирают очень быстро. Вот он хорошую психологию как бы развивает. Можешь поискать и почитать его книгу о психологии. Это чувак с penny stock trading, он торговал penny stocks, и я обучался на нем очень давно, давным-давно.
And I would say, Rich Dad Poor Dad, it's a good one as well. It helps you to normalize how you look at money and what you should do with your money to keep it safe and make more. It can be dangerous.
Yeah, that's true. I've been learning on my own as a developer. Did you read that comment?
No.
No? And quant trader, you made a solid point. Taking trading seriously often means studying alone and staying committed. Yes. Sometimes trading requires you to be alone. Okay, explain me. When you started trading, were you alone in solitude? When I was starting trading, I was alone. No one didn't wanted to be with me. They saw me as I don't know.
I started to go my own way in internet money and everything, and yeah, I sacrificed a lot of people. I gave up on my family and friends, and I was alone. And then I went into a relationship, but this relationship turned out, as you mentioned, always breaking up and everything. And but still, from that point, I was alone until now, still.
So I think when you will be deep into the trading and you're in learning phase, you'll be alone. You will be alone.
It's hard to focus on trading when you have a lot of people around. It's okay to have trading buddies and friends that are driven as you and motivated as you, and you are going after big goals and everything. But if you have friends that don't do this and don't understand you, it's impossible to trade and to achieve something. Yeah. Scalping or day trading? Day trading, 100%.
Day trading. And if I would say day trading or swing trading, I would choose swing trading. But day trading is a legit thing. You just need to control yourself with over trading. And yes, revenge trading. Then it can be useful thing.
I think girlfriend is important for motivation. It depends on yourself, bro. If you know how to manage your time and prioritize your time and do what you need to do and then have fun, sure. But if you are kind of a person who is willing to give all of your time to somebody and not give to yourself enough time to grow, I would say it's a lies and false statement.
Have you tried switching from time-based calculations to volume candles? It might normalize the behavior of your indicator. I think we now have a new idea to create and design indicator that is based more on the order flow by using cumulative volume deltas. And we are just trying different kind of indicators and we're just testing out.
Testing out and back testing everything.
With the footprints, we actually made some profits in 1st January by using order flow.
Yeah.
By shorting Bitcoin.
Yeah, we did. We shorted Bitcoin.
I documented this in my stories as well.
It was really interesting.
Yeah. There is a story where we made $2,500 probably.
It was 2.5.
By scalping using order flow.
I think it was 2.5. Yeah. What are you trying? Okay. USD JPY heading after take profits.
It's gay if it has girlfriend. What the hell is that comment?
It's good to have a girlfriend. I wouldn't say so. It's not the nature, but sure, buddy.
No. Don't go that far away.
Yeah.
Don't go into that side, please. I'm not against relationship. I'm just trying to say, for young man, you should be dedicated to yourself first. And if you will build your foundation, you don't need to chase girls anymore. They will chase you, because girls do not chase guys who are in the process. They chase already results. They want to see a result. They don't care about your passion. They care about results. Unfortunately, that's life reality.
Yes, David. I would say that's facts. It depends on the girl. If she sees your vision and helps you emotionally, then it's good. It is, but to find such a girl, it's such a person in general. Maybe a girl is watching and looking for the same in the guys. It's hard in modern life. It's really hard. It's really hard.
One more really nice question. What is your experience with us, like XNINE community? Okay, guys, this is interesting. Let's discuss this. This is kind of really interesting topic. A lot of things we have to say. Communicating with a lot of people with different mind, from different countries, with different perspectives. It's not easy, guys. Oh, it's not easy. I'm not lying. A lot of people are having problems, but when you see that someone is having a problem and you're trying to solve his problems, and in the long term, in 1-2 months, you see his progress, and that makes me happy. I sometimes feel that that's me. Like when I see his progress, I see myself in him. But it's not easy to work with the people. A lot of people are having issues with gambling. A lot of people.
That I would say that's the biggest issue.
The biggest issue. Like 50% of people are always gambling. They cannot just stick to the plan. They cannot being consistent. Please do not, we warn, do not touch gold, do not touch silver. It doesn't matter. They go and buy the silver.
Yeah. Don't touch the markets, don't trade. See, there's somebody who comes to us and says, I'm down, I traded on my own, I shouldn't do it, I won't do it anymore. And we say, yes, just trade what we do, what we trade, copy what we do, and that's it. You don't need to do anything extra. The big drop on gold happened. A lot of people lost.
Okay.
And we didn't have any trades on gold as well.
Antonini Yaraska, traders talking about girls. Funny. Okay, you are a female. Let's talk about you. And you are a female trader. Do you have a boyfriend?
And what is your opinion on relationships?
And what is your opinion on relationships as a trader?
Yeah, express yourself.
Guys, we are having a female here, trader. Let's see the opinion.
They go and buy silver. Yeah, silver is a really interesting asset to trade.
Can you show the gold charts? We do not see it. It's just like people want to see. Guys, charts. We are back. We are back at $80,000 in unrealized profits. Yeah.
About this is a good comment. Where was it? Wait. Yeah, here. After years of trading, do you ever look back on previous trades? Like you lost 1K gold trade, but as I see in the chart, it's up now. Do you take a look on what if? Of course, everybody does, but for now, this trade that we took particularly today, it was a super small trade and it didn't affect us in any way, shape or form, and I kind of don't care about it. But if you have bigger trades, and I had trades on my funded accounts when I had them, of course there were these what if, then you move your stop losses wider and then you lose your account because you are hoping. And when you hope in the market, you will lose. The hope is the biggest killer in the markets. Your hope.
I had also seen many people ask this question again, how to join XNINE community. Really, I'm pissed off the question because you had mentioned thousands of times. Thanks for your precious time.
Check the description, guys.
Guys, just if you want to join XNINE community, it's so easy. Just read the description area. There is a link. Join the link. You'll be redirected to the web page, and then you push join the public Telegram channel. And in public Telegram channel, we are having sometimes open spots for, like, you know, to enter VIP group. So basically we have two Telegram channels: VIP group Telegram, closed group, and open public group for everyone.
What does ECN account mean? But about the funded accounts, I had them, of course, and I made in total in payouts I made $38,000 from funded accounts, and then I bought two more after those payouts. I blew them because I was trying to be a hero, and I said to myself, hey, let's go big or go home. I went home, and then I bought two more. I passed one, blew it as soon as I passed it. Another one passed, blew it on the second phase, and then I gave up and said to myself, let's trade on live account. And right now on live account, I have been trading for 2 days now. Yeah, for 2 trading days, and now I'm sitting. I deposited $15,000, and now I'm at 22.4K. Going slow. I'm trying to see what I can do in a year, so this is going to be a big swing account for me. Try to scale it up.
Yeah, guys, we trade with a bigger account, with our capital, with the $300,000+, and we also have Renis, smaller account. So we just want to show that it's possible to make profits with different size of accounts, with different deposits.
Here's the reply of a female trader about relationships. I agree with you. To achieve goals, no need relationship. Only consistency. Stay alone. Stay profitable.
You see, even female admits that you don't need relationship. What else you need to know, guys? What else?
Armin's solid woman.
Hello, guys. Are you swinging tonight? Or you mean our trade or what?
Still paid for those 38K.
So yeah, guys, we have unrealized profits in gold. We're just betting on gold right now. It was choppy day, and yeah, again, maybe those who tuned in, they don't know what happened today. Today was a really important day. News of non-farm payrolls. The US added 130,000 new jobs in January, and it made economy stronger. Unemployment rate fell to 4.3 probably, lower than expected, and it's good. Yes, it's good, but many investors are being afraid that we won't have any more rate cuts because of the strong economy. And there might be an inflation a threat to inflation. And because of that, treasury yields went up, stock market first rose, then fall. As always, New York session destroyed everyone. Investors now think that the Federal Reserve will not cut rates. As I mentioned before, we will have a new Federal Reserve chairman. A lot of things are happening. It will destroy markets, destroy a lot of traders if they do not follow up with these things. So oil prices also went up today because of the possible tension involving Iranian oil shipments. We have like this clash between Iran and Western world. Yes, we all know that. So yeah, and the strong job report is good, but at the same time, it can be interpreted differently.
Yeah. About the funded accounts, maximum I invested 3K. Maximum, that was what I invested in funded accounts. In start, I invested, I think, around 1 point something K, and then I got these payouts, and then I tried again and again. There was this extra K, so around 3K of 38K. And I risked on a trade maximum 1%, so it was a conservative trading. I could have made more, but hey, it happens, and it's totally fine.
Guys, we might have a stream tomorrow. Let's see what is our gold trade will look like tomorrow. Let's see. We are going to be transparent with you. So yeah.
But for now, we have been streaming for 67 minutes.
Yeah.
And
I will read last comments and then we will wrap up the stream.
Yeah.
I might be the oldest guy here. Believe me, you can trade and have a family. It gives you more purpose. Don't stay alone too much or you will remain alone. Of course, when you are becoming older, find yourself a really nice woman. We are not against that. And we see, can you tell how old are you? May I ask, please? 67? Who is 67?
There's this meme about 6'7".
Ah,
There
okay,
was 67.
Sorry, I'm old. I'm old.
Young.
I don't know what that means. Sorry.
6'7".
48. So, Christian, I'm 40 years old, so we almost grew in the same generation.
Thanks for the stream, bye.
Playing Nintendo.
It was nice to see you here.
I think you don't know what it means in Nintendo, right?
Nintendo? Which
Yeah.
one?
Okay.
I had the Nintendo Game Boy, I think. Do you know the Game Boy? It's the...
Oh yeah,
I
okay,
had
Game
two
Boy.
of
Okay,
them.
Tetris Game Boy. Okay.
Yeah. I had one
It's
of
pop
two
culture,
of them.
yeah.
Purple one, and I think it was
Imagine, guys,
transparent.
how trading unites people. Renis is 24 years old, I'm 40 years old, and we still find something in common because of the financial field, trading, content creation. It's so cool to have, like, you know, younger generation being like, you know, with older generation, and it's possible. And I see that Renis is very locked in. He's very guy that he's motivated to change his life, because a lot of his classmates, I don't know, friends, I think they're more about to hang around, having fun. Renis, it's a different species. Yeah. He's a kind of different guy, different creature. I love
Animal.
to see that.
When I wake up, animal wakes in me. Snail. When I started to feel what progress means, I kind of fell in love with it.
Some people say don't trade on Monday, don't trade on Friday. The market takes a stop loss. Yes, because on Monday it's still not that active day from the investors, banks, hedge funds. The same for Friday. You know, all these market makers, they just trying to close all the positions. Market is not, you know, it's different. It's so different.
Rainy, Tugai Technikuma. Yes, I went to Rigas Technical School. No, Rigas Valsts Technikums. I studied as a car mechanic, and I can fix your car if you want to. I won't though. I won't.
You both look same. I don't know, is it a compliment for me or just bad words to the Rainis?
Stop. The market takes a stop loss. Wrong stop loss, buddy.
Had a nice time with you guys. Please keep your streams regular. Only good vibes. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Okay.
Same, how?
Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap up the stream. Thank you for being with us. We are having this crazy gold trade. Can you show the last number? We see $19,000. Let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. I'm going to be honest. We're gonna lose. If we will make more profits, let's see tomorrow. Let's see. We are betting on gold right now. We are ready for any market conditions to react on it, right? Hey guys, thank you. Bye. Thank you for support. I really love you all. Thank you for these vibes. I see a lot of new people coming in, and I see that people are really educated. A lot of people educated, especially Christian. Thank you.
See you tomorrow in the London session, guys. Tune in. The same place, same time. Ciao.
Bye.